started here at Lake Brantley 3 years ago, there were 0 students enrolled in AP Computer Science.
People look at me and they're like, they don't expect me to like code or anything like that. And I like being outside of the box.
Now we have over 300 students at Lake Brantley High School taking AP Computer Science.
I like the Master the Mainframe contest because it's different.
There's always more to learn and more to create.
Each thing you code is sort of like a puzzle.
Every high school should have at least 300 students taking computer science.
My friends and I, we got excited and we wanted really to try it out. You learn a lot and you get exposed to a new world.
Whatever the mechanism behind it, I found it to be something that can help out in the future.
It was very nice collaborating with people both in the university. Critical thinking, creative thinking skills, problem solving, interaction with other people.
Our students are way ahead because of the understanding now they have.
The mainframe is one of the best challenges one can have.
This kind of contest, when they participate, it makes some kind of a groundwork for them.
It gives you an edge. If I can learn a little bit of mainframe, it means a great achievement for me.
As I've been going forward with mainframe, I have found it quite interesting.
We are actually enjoying the challenge. It was like playing games.
And after winning this competition, I actually gained more confidence that yes, I can stand somewhere and I can gain something. The mainframe really has worked for me and I think I have a career option in this.
So we got something new, we did it, we mastered it.